never heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Right now, we're not in the studio. We're right here at the Cinemark, and we're going to watch ourselves the new Cinderella movie that just came out.
That's right, with Pierce Brosnan, because IK and I have really been in and out of the theaters, as you know, as actors and entertainers, so we're constantly in the movie theater, and we're always watching what's new. Recently, we watched Shang-Chi with Awkwafina.
And Shang-Chi was a really good film. It had Simu Lee in it, too.
Oh.
It was really good to me. I just feel it kind of drops off in the middle and it goes towards the lower end, the lower spectrum of Marvel films.
Yes.
My favorite is going to stay being Endgame and Infinity War. But Dr. Ross, what did you think of the film?
I personally thought it was, I thought it was a really good storyline. I thought the cinematography was the best part about the movie, and the comedy lines were really good. I thought they could have brought certain things into the movie, but we all know how movies work. $1 billion budget, so apparently they knew what they were doing.
And they're looking to make a second one, so they're
Yes.
putting the Simu Lee's Shang-Chi into the Marvel Universe now.
And it's a definitely, we would recommend you guys to go see it and go watch it and tell us what you think about it.
And stay tuned, because we're also going to be submitting our brand new Spider-Man film to Disney and the
That's
Marvel
right.
Universe too.
IK is going to be the next Miles Morales, so stay tuned for that.
The Wakanda Spider-Man.
That's
Wakanda
right.
forever. Let's get into our first hot topic for today with the Miss She's Hot winner for today.
That's right. The She's Hot winner that you guys have been waiting for every single week on the Friday. So this Friday's She's Hot winner for today is Miss Becky Lynch. Congratulations, Miss Becky Lynch, on your win.
Miss Becky Lynch is fierce, and she's someone to see and look at as wow. That right there is the next Wonder Woman, and Amazon right there.
Bright
Because
red hair and Irish, and you'll see her on WWE with her fiance. So
she has bright red hair like a fireball. She's fit, and she's
That's
one of
right.
the highest paid and known WWE superstars.
wow.
But
wow,
Dr.
wow.
Ross and I, we really want to see her on the big screen.
That's
So
right.
we're going to be reaching out to her, and we're going to put her in our film Vicious.
Like the female Rock, because we see the Rock went from WWE 2 to now the TV screen.
But The Rock needs to chill out with all these movies. The Rock,
does.
let us take your spot. Because right now you're doing too many films. You're doing Jumanji 3, you're doing Black Adam, you're doing the second Jungle Cruise.
That's true. And you know, I don't really think The Rock's gonna stop. I think he's gonna keep being money hungry and scandalous. So you know what? IK and I will be in a movie with you, The Rock. That's right. We'll be in the movie where we're fighting them WWE style.
That's right, Dr. Ross. But Rebecca Quinn is an Irish professional wrestler and actress. She is signed to WWE under the ring name Becky Lynch, where she performs on the SmackDown brand, and her current SmackDown Women's Champion in her 4th reign.
We love a woman who is being strong and going to get her money.
Exactly. But congratulations on your win, Miss Becky Lynch.
That's right. And let's get into another hot topic. So Zendaya has been hot in the news right now. She's not only been talked about with her on and off again relationship with the Tom Holland, but she's also going to be in the new movie Dune, and she's going to be in the new Spider-Man. So what are your thoughts about Zendaya, IK?
Zendaya's really out there. She's been doing a lot of things. She has her new perfume line called
That's right.
Idol. We'll put it right here in case if I said that wrong.
Idol, the new fragrance.
But her
And
new...
the skincare, it's like a lotion.
Oh yes, she also has like a sort of lotion going on. But Miss Zendaya is out there in the industry. She's getting hers, and we know that she's been out there for a long time now.
That's
so,
right. Since a teenager at the age of 11 years old, where she appeared on Disney Channel's Shake It Up.
But she's a millionaire now, and she's going out there making her money. So we wanted to say we're congratulating her. We're proud of her for going out there and getting hers. And to spin it around, by the way, Miss Zendaya, I'd like you to take me out on a date. I'm just effing with you. I'd like to take you out for lunch, brunch, or dinner in Los Angeles or wherever you're at, because I heard that the Spider-Man was filming in Europe, actually.
Oh, wow.
But Miss Zendaya, we know that you're out there, you're getting yours, and you're making the big money. But I have films coming up. I have 15 films in the can. Vicious is one of them. And I'm going to be making big money, and I'd like to put you in the films because I'd like to see you on the big screen with Dr. Ross and I.
That's right.
But Miss Zendaya, We have things big in the works, and I'd like to see you in LA
That's
for
right.
lunch, brunch, or dinner. And Kylie Jenner, I haven't forgot about you yet. That's for you, baby girl. But let's get into our next and final hot topic for today with Scott Disick.
Oh yes, so apparently Scott Disick and Amelia Hammett have broken it off, and Lisa Rinna says that her daughter left him, but did she really leave him if Scott's mind was on Courtney the entire time?
You can't leave someone who wasn't even there from the start.
Exactly.
Because what do you think he was doing the whole time? Checking her Instagram all the time, like, what is she doing? What is Courtney doing?
Where's Courtney at?
He's
Who's
going
she
to-
kissing?
He's going to the bodyguards all the time. Have you seen Courtney? No, I haven't seen her. Walks away.
They
Comes
probably
back.
had to throw that man out. But you know what? That's what happens to simps, and IK and I are not sympathetic. So, we're going to get and go see this movie, and we're going to tell you guys about it. We're going to go see the Cinderella with Pierce Brosnan and Camila Cabello. That's right.
But it seems like it's going to be really good, so we're going to give you guys our thoughts on this, and we'll see you guys in the next episode of Rose and Gold.
Congratulations once again to Miss Becky Lynch. Sorry to cut you off.
Exactly. Congratulations, Miss Becky Lynch, the WWE superstar and fireball.
Exactly.
Coming straight from Ireland. And from Kylie Jenner, that's for you. These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you guys on the next episode. We out.